But very demanding.
His reigns, he R&D ಮಾಡಿ, he started his own.
Sir, how long have you been in this?
From the age of 13.
13.
13.
56. Almost 43 years.
43 years. So, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sir, ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
No
egg.
All egg.
So, this is a zero egg,
Zero egg.
Pure veg.
pure veg.
ಇದು ಡೋನಟ್ ಇದೆ.
Donut.
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Oh, donut, sweet donut.
ಹಾ.
ಅದೇನು ಸರ್?
Additional ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್.
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾವುದು?
ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಲೇ ಮಾಡೋದು. Pure butter.
ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕ್ರಂಚಿ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ.
ಇವ್ರ ತಂದೆದ ರೆಸಿಪಿ.
ಇದು 1950s ಇಂದ.
Yes, yes.
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಸರ್? ಮೈದಾ ಇದೆ, ಬಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ಶುಗರ್ ಇದೆ,
ಶುಗರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್.
Salt. Right?
This is a cookie that's rather soft as you touch it, rather powdery, but it still has a bit of a crunch. And I think with all that butter ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? 25%?
Easy.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. With all that butter, ಬಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ after some time
ಕರಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕರಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Always nice to come to the kitchen in the bakeries. Fresh ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ.
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್.
ಬಿಸ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ.
Fruit biscuit, okay.
ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ
To
ಇದೆ.
be baked. Honey cake.
ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್. ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ.
Everybody likes it.
ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ಸ್ ಹನಿ ಕೇಕ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ ಶುಗರ್ ಸಿರಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ?
ಹೌದು. ಶುಗರಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಹನಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹನಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ?
ಹಾಕ್ಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಆ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್.
And also will it break when you do it in a machine?
Chances are there.
Chances are there.
ಅದುವೇ ಆ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಿಷಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಂಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
Crisply fried curry leaf. Fantastic. So I think what this also does is it imparts layers of flavors, Allah.
ಹೌದು.
So first the peanuts get coated with the turmeric, with the flavor of the hingu, and also gets coated with all that oil. And I think all that oil also ensures that the masala sticks to the peanut.
Yes, yes.
Right? So when they add the chili powder and the salt, that peanut readily holds on to it, and also that crispened fried curry leaf. And there you go, that Congress kadlekai. That was first made by
ರಾಮಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್.
Mr. Ramaswamy Iyengar in the late 70s.
Yeah.
And now we know that the Congress Kadlekai is named so because in the earlier days, in the pre-British era, secret notes would be transported in sacks or goni chilas of Kadlekai, and therefore the name the Congress Kadlekai. So the Congress Kadlekai will always be half.
Oh, it's split.
It is split. Some people also say that it is split because the Congress party got split, but here we've learned from them that has nothing to do with it. Fantastic. We're tasting some of the fried kadlekai. ಖಾರ ಇದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾರ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ.
ಹೌದು. ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್
ಅದು ಹುಳಿ
ಪುಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹುಳಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ಚಾಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ.
ಚಾಟ್ ಮಸಾಲ ತಿಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬಾಯದು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ತುದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತೆ. And then somewhere else at the back of your tongue you can taste that salt and also a bit of the sourness that I'm told comes from the amchur masala, and I'm sure there are other ingredients that go into it, because I think every family has recipes that they have carefully cultivated, evolved, developed over years.
Yeah.
ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಳ್ಳಿತ್ತು ಸರ್?
ಇದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು 10 to 10 years ಆಯ್ತು.
So for those of you watching, I think you will probably associate Srinivasa Brahmin's Bakery with this original outlet, which came up in the year 1956. The other store that we were in, which also houses the kitchen, is a new addition that was made only about 3 months ago.
Yes.
So typically when you come to a bakery, you pick up your products and you probably savor them in the comfort of your home. But I want to savor all of them fresh right here at the store. Idenu?
This is KBC.
KBC. ಖಾರ ಬನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್.
ಖಾರಾಬನ್ ಬಟರ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್.
ಖಾರ ಬನ್ ಬಟರ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬಂತು ಒಂದು ಬನ್ ಒಳಗೆ?
ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ
ವೈ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಟು
ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ.
So ಈಗ
ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್.
So ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಖಾರಾಬನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ.
ತುಂಬ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ
ವಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಯನಿಯರ್ಸ್.
ಯು ಆರ್ ದ ಪೈನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಖಾರಾಬನ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್. ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಹಾ, ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಡ್ಲೆಕಾಯಿ ಸಹ. So well, we have our Kharaban butter congress and therefore the KBC. ಏನು ಬಟರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ನಂದಿನಿ.
ನಂದಿನಿ ಬಟ್.
ಸರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್. There's plenty of benne that's gone into it, so you can see that benne is almost peeping out of the edges. And then of course there's a Congress kadlekai. Kadlekai is given in to the butter, to the benne. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖಾರ ಅನ್ಸಲ್ಲ. Congress. I love the fact that there's so much butter in it. Butter makes everything better. ಇದು ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಟರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಾಮೂಲಿ. Somewhere now at the back, I can also taste that the curry leaf that's probably also in the kharaban. That kharaban also has some green chili, ಅಲ್ಲ? The paste ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಬ್ಬಕ್ಕಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಪೆಪ್ಪರು ಜೀರಾ.
Mr. Ram Prasad said ಜೀರಿಗೆ. Correct, our time gave I can taste the jeerige.
ನಾವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಸೇರಿಸಲ್ಲ ಈಗ.
And I also like the fact that the bun is soft. ಇದು ಬನ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ? ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ.
More than 500 KBC will sell.
So every day you make a fixed number of buns. So close adre close. I love the fact that there's a curry leaf, and I think this curry leaf is from that Congress kadlekai. And because they mix it up in a manner that that curry leaf is not crushed, you still see the whole curry leaf even within this KBC. The flavor of the curry leaf, the lushness of the butter, and then the softness of the bun. That bun is extremely soft. And also it's a bun that isn't dry. You know, when the bun's been kept for a while, it tends to get dry. But this bun is soft. It's a sort that comes together rather well. This bun ಗೆ shelf life ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್?
ಬರೀ ಖಾರಾಬನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 4 to 5 days ಇತ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ನಾವು ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಪೀನಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್. ನಾನು ಆವಾಗ ಪೀನಟ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಪ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಬಟರ್ ರೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೆದು ಆಗಿದೆ. I love the lushness of the butter that coats the tongue. Next ಈಗ ಪಲ್ಯ ಬನ್. It's about 2 o'clock now. I think I'm going to make my tasting almost like a lunch. You know, even as I lift this palya bun, the aloo-gadde bun, what's really striking here is the thickness of that aloo-gadde in that. That thickness of the aloo-gadde is almost as much as the thickness of the bun, which is always a good thing in my books. Dharala haktira potatoes. I can taste the soft bite of the onions, and also perhaps really limbe lime juice.